outside. Did you wash your hands? Because I'm going to wash mine. Today we're going to be cooking shrimp fried rice. But before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell to notify when I post more videos. And let's get started. I have these eggs right here. And I have these shrimp right here. In order to season the shrimp, we'll be using paprika, garlic powder, and ground ginger, and some salt. And I will be cutting up these fresh vegetables. Their names are green onion, white onion, and some carrots. So let's get started. As you can see, I already chopped up my green onion, my white onion, and my carrots. I already seasoned my shrimp. And I already preheated my white rice. Now let's just join it all together. Now that our veggies are finished, we're gonna put together our rice and shrimp, and with some sesame oil and some soy sauce. there's something missing. Oh yeah, my secret yum yum sauce. In order to make this sauce, you will be needing sugar, mayonnaise, garlic powder, ketchup, and white vinegar. Let's mix it all together. Alright, now we're ready for the taste test. That is actually so good. This is probably my favorite. Yeah, the orange pepper chicken and the lemon pepper chicken is probably first place, but this right here is second place though. This hit. But if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to notify when I post my videos. And I'm about to go enjoy this.